Hello everyone, today I will show you how to put box around text in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. I will put box around text using drawing option. Select insert option. I select your drawing. I select new and I will insert here a rectangle shape. I will check background color transparent. I will change border white and change border color is red color. I select save and close and click on this shape and select here in front of text and click on this arrow and select here fixed on position. Now move it and increase your shape area and see this shape of box already created. Now let box around shape text using border and shading option. Select format option and select paragraph text border and shading and active fast 4 and border white also 3. Also change border color pink color and border style dotted. Now select apply and see this box already created. This one also. Yeah. This two ways you can put border around text. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.